Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. In today's video I found these children's snap cards in Poundland. You get 52 cards obviously. They say they're deluxe jumbo elf snap cards, and I was wondering if I could turn them into card fronts. I just think they'd be quite cute as whimsical kind of card fronts for children. So that's how they look. They're nice and bright and colourful, and they measure 3.5 by just under 5. So I was wondering if I could do some sort of card. Maybe do 6x4. Just going to go through the cards. Looks like so you get 2 of each. Oh no, oh, okay. So you get 4 of each. Nice bright colours. Just trying to think of what colour inserts I've got pre-cut. I've got some blue here. And I quite like the offsets in them maybe. Maybe green. Quite like that yellow. Let's go for the yellow. So you get 52 cards, so you can make a whole heap of you know, cheap cards, especially if you're doing giving cards to your children's classmates. I'm going to do round my corners because the corners are rounded on this card on the playing cards. Maybe put some colour underneath it. I'm literally just playing now, crafters. I quite like having that colour underneath it because it brings out the green in the elf shoes. I'm just looking at my scraps and I'm just digging out my the scrap pieces I have. It's just whimsical, and I like to be whimsy at Christmas. Okay, let's pop these up with some foam tape. There you go, really quick and simple. I like those. I'm going to do some more crafters, and then I'll bring them to you at the end. So crafters, here we go. I've just done a few just to show you. But you can buy a big pack of these cards for £1, and I'm sure Dollar Trees overseas and I can't remember what the Irish version is of Poundland, but yeah, in Deals I think it is with a Z. But yeah, there we go. Just quick, nice and easy cards. This would be a great thing to do using your scraps. Now I do a lot of 6x4 cards and 5x7 cards, so I end up with loads of strips of card. Like this. So this is a fantastic way to use up those scraps, and this is a great thing to do with your children. Instead of buying cards that are, you know, more than £1 or even £1 and you only get 30, get this pack. This is almost for 2 years. You know, get 2 packs. You've got enough cards for, you know, a good amount of time, and they're all whimsical. You know, they're really cute. Just use your scraps. And I just realised I put that on the wrong way round. Let's put you on the right way round. But yeah, really simple. So using your scraps, and you get some really cute whimsical cards for your children. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.